A city bus arrived at the workshop with a mixed complaint. The front doors were sticking, the brakes felt sluggish, and the front saloon wasn't warming properly. There were no warning lights, no fault codes, no obvious failures. But when multiple systems start misbehaving at the same time, it usually points to a shared root cause. Initial checks focused on the usual suspects. Airlines were inspected, solenoids and brake valves were checked. System pressure looked normal. At first glance, everything seemed fine, but a closer inspection revealed moisture inside the air tanks, and that changed the direction of the diagnosis. The problem wasn't faulty valves or actuators. The problem was the air feeding them. Moisture and oil mist were bypassing the air dryer and circulating through the pneumatic system. That contamination slowed brake response, caused the doors to stick, and reduced heater performance. Attention then turned to a small but critical component, the purge tank. Located beside the air dryer, the purge tank stores compressed air used to forcefully purge moisture and contaminants from the system. When it fails or underperforms, the dryer can't clean the air effectively, and dirty, wet air spreads throughout the entire system. The purge tank was serviced and restored to proper operation. Once the purge cycle was working correctly, the air system was recharged and stabilized. The results were immediate. Doors operated smoothly, brake response returned to normal, and the front heater warmed as expected. Here's a practical takeaway for technicians. If you encounter sticky doors, sluggish brakes, or moisture in the air system, don't stop at the valves. Inspect the purge tank and air dryer operation early. Clean, dry air is the foundation of reliable pneumatic systems. In fleet maintenance, failures don't always come from major components. Sometimes it's a small part doing a big job quietly in the background. Understand the system, respect the details.